Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Shauna. In today's video, I will be going over exactly the ways that I style my hair. Now, what I have been doing recently is what I call the 4-day rule. So basically on day 1 is the day that I would have my shower and I would wash my hair, and then I would get out and I would just wear it straight as it is right now. On day 2 is the day that I would go ahead and curl my hair by using my straightening iron as well as my curling wand, which I will be showing you guys in this video today. On the 3rd day, my curls are still quite good and passable for that day. There might just be a curl here and there that I need to touch up, but that is fine. And then on the 4th day, hopefully my hair is still presentable. I would have by then added loads of dry shampoo into my hair to make it look somewhat presentable, and then it would be ready for the next day, which would then be my hair washing day. So back to day 1. So quickly, before I get into curling my hair and showing you guys exactly how I do that, I just want to show you some of the products that I use. Right when I get out of the shower, I have gotten into the habit of using a detangling spray or a leave-in conditioner spray. This is something I have done for ages, especially when I had my long hair. I would always spray in a leave-in conditioner. This one I have here is by L'Oreal Paris. It is their Hair Expertise Total Repair 5 Replenishing Detangling Care, and it has the Pro Keratin and Ceramide, which repairs and strengthens for a silky touch, and it is for damaged hair. So I find that my hair is quite thin. It's very fine. Like, I have a lot of hair, but it is very thin, so it doesn't look like that much, which is why initially I was kind of scared to cut my hair so short, because I thought that it would just be way too thin and I wouldn't be able to get the style that I wanted with it. But I have been pleasantly surprised and it has been great, and I have had zero regrets since cutting my hair. But yeah, so I would always start with this. I would spray this in my freshly washed wet hair, and then I would brush it out with this detangling brush. This is the Michael Mercier Professional Hair Brush. It is a detangling brush and it is for fine hair. So I would just brush throughout my entire hair with this, and then I would go in with this product here, and this is like nearly empty. I need to get some more, but this is the BioSilk Silk Therapy Light, because I have the light colored hair, and it is paraben free. It is an ultra light leave-in reconstructing treatment formulated to give fine and thin hair a miraculous, smooth, and silky appearance without adding excess oil or weighing down the hair. So typically, if I wasn't going out that day, I would just from there let my hair air dry. But if I was going out somewhere, then I would blow dry my hair. So I would always use this product, which I got from Cassius as well. And this is the Big Sexy Hair Full Bloom 72-hour thicker, fuller hair. So this is exactly what I would need to get the lift at the roots and more volume to my hair. It says it's a long-lasting thickening and refreshing spray. So it says, shake well before use, spray on damp hair from roots to ends, lift hair away from the scalp while blow drying to lock in the style. So the way that my hairdresser Cassius told me to use this and how she uses it herself is to spray it at the roots in your damp hair, and then just use a comb or a brush and brush it through, which would bring the product down throughout the lengths of my hair. So that's what I have been doing. And then, like it does say on the bottle itself, that's when I would flip my head upside down so all of my hair is hanging down, and I would blow dry my hair using my hair dryer here. And that would be to get the full amount of lift at the roots. Now, this hair dryer I have had for a few years now. I got it for Christmas from my cousin Katie, and this is the Solutions by Vital Sassoon hair dryer. And what I really like about this is it is specifically made to be quieter than most hair dryers. Plus, I love the color of this one. So yes, this is the hair dryer that I would use to dry my hair. Now, when I do let my hair air dry and I want to keep it straight that day, my hair does dry pretty well pin straight, like very straight. However, at the ends, it likes to flip out like this, which I don't really like. And same with my bangs, it flips out and ends up like sticking out like this, which isn't very flattering in my opinion. That is when I would take my hair straightener and just straighten those bits and my bangs like that, just so that it looks how it looks now, kind of like maybe a little bit curled or tapered in at the ends, and then my bangs are just straight. This is the hair straightener that I have here. This is by AG, and this, guys, is old and crusty, and I need a new one. It says it's an AG Intertech. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I've had this for quite a few years, but it is just in the white style, which I do really like. So I would just pull it through and just go like this and kind of curl it in so that my hair would curl inside a little bit. And then I would also do like right here in front of my ears. This likes to get kinked, and then all of the shorter hairs underneath, they aren't completely straight, so I would just go in and make sure all of that is straight. And then, like I said, with my bangs here, I would just go like this and like straighten them out a bit so that it looks like this. But of course, a very important part which I don't want to miss is my heat protectant. So whenever I'm going to blow dry my hair or straighten it or use my curling wand, I always use this heat protectant. And this product is by Chi, which is the Cationic Hydration Interlink 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray, and it is also paraben free. The Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protecting Spray with the power of ceramic provides superior treat protection from the inside out against styling and finishing damages from the hottest heat tools. To use, section hair and spray Chi 44 Iron Guard evenly over damp or dry hair. So the first thing I do is I always section my hair, and I just have these old clips that I got. I think I got them at Ardene's years ago. So what I always do is I always curl the lower section of my hair first. So I would just go from above my ears all the way around, like so. And then I would just twist it and pin it up top like that. And then my bangs I would also pin to the side. If you guys are wondering, I'm going to be looking here a lot in this direction because I have my mirror right here in front of me, just so that I can see what I'm doing. The bottom section of my hair here I find easier to curl using my straightening iron. It does go up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I do not use it at that temperature. I usually go around 340 to 360 usually. And I'm going to grab my Chi 44 Iron Guard and just spray that all over these lower lengths here. So I'm going to do the left side of my hair first and then the right side afterwards. I don't know why I do left first and then right. It's just how I've always done it, even with my long hair. I always start from the back and work forward. And I don't want my pieces to be too thick, but they don't have to be super thin either. And there we go. So this one I'm going to alternate and do the other way. And then the last strand closest to my face, I always want to do away from my face. So this one I'll go towards. Now what I do here is I always split it from left to right, so I'm going to do the left side again. So bring that down and I'm going to pin the right side up again. And then my bangs as well are going to stay up for now. So now I'm going to curl the top half, but I'm going to spray it first with my Chi 44 Iron Guard setting spray. I am done with my straightening iron now, so I'm just going to turn that off and let that cool down. and I'm going to be using my curling wand now. So let's turn that on. It automatically goes to 380, so I usually just leave it there. This is my curling wand here. This is one that my cousin and hairdresser Cassius picked up for me. So yeah, this is a Sultra hair curling wand with the tiny clamp here, which I don't even use, but it is a tapered wand from a 1 inch to, I believe, half an inch here. I want to show you this quickly. I forgot to show you before, but this is the brush that I use to brush my hair when it is dry. The other one is a detangling brush to use when your hair is wet, but this is the one that I use when my hair is dry. It is my aerial brush. It is just a normal, like, I don't know, bristled brush. I got it Hot Topic when I was in Toronto last year, 2 years ago. Yeah, so, and I love it because it's Disney and it's aerial and it's just amazing. And it's turquoise. So yeah, this is what I'm going to use right now. As you will see, I'm just going to bring all of the hair yet to be curled forward, and I'm just going to brush it all through. I've already sprayed the heat protectant on it, so let's start at the back again and work my way forwards. So I always hold the curling wand pointed down like this, so the cord might get annoying because it might be in my face, but yeah, I always hold it down. And then this first one I'm gonna do, I'm gonna curl away. Now, when I had my longer hair, I would usually leave this in for quite a while because I wanted my curls to be quite curly. And I don't wrap my hair around all the way, so that should be long enough. And as you can see, it's quite curled, and then what I do is I just pull it like this so the curls aren't as tight, because I want them to be more like waves, like curly waves. So that should be good, and then I'll move on to the next one. Not really twisting the hair when I'm wrapping it around, keeping it flat. And then pulling it out and just pulling on the curl a bit like this, and then throwing it to the back. Brush through it real quick and spray it with the spray as always. Now I usually section it into 3 or 4 pieces, kind of just depends on how my hair is looking that day. I just section it closest to my temple like this, and then all of these would be curled away from my face, obviously, and I don't do a full curl around. I just do kind of like a half like that, and then I just roll my curling wand like this so it's not a super tight curl. So it's more of like a kink in my hair, if you can see that there. So what I usually do is leave it for about 5 minutes just to let all of the hair naturally cool down. And I look pretty crazy right now. The next thing I do is I just run my fingers through it all like this. And I want it to look kind of messy on purpose look. And that's pretty much it. That's really all. Like, if I really wanted to and if I was going out somewhere, I would just spray whatever hairspray I have at the time. And this is the back of my hair, which I haven't actually ever seen, so it'll be interesting to see when I am editing this video. And hopefully it looks all right in the back. But yeah, this is how I curl my hair. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already by clicking the red subscribe button on my YouTube homepage, as well as my little bell notification button. I post weekly videos on Wednesdays, so you're gonna want to get notified every time a new one goes up because you won't want to miss it. If you want to, I would love for you guys to follow me on all of my social media. I have my Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. I'm always posting there, as well as my website, which is right here for you guys. It is shaunaemily.com, where I am posting my blog posts, anything to do with beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, and all that good stuff. Also, if you're interested in seeing a tutorial for the makeup look I am wearing right now, it is coming next week, so stay tuned for that. But until then, guys, have a good one, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.